Here at the Z-Wave Unplug Fest in the spring of 2026, we were in the city of Vienna, Austria, at a hotel that is a classic urban steel and concrete building presenting a challenge for our Z-Wave wireless testing. Z-Wave long range was tested using a GPS receiver and connected to geographic location command class, which is a standard in Z-Wave. The exact GPS coordinates were recorded as we walked around the building and then all the way down the street 600 meters and all the way back. You can see the dynamic transmit power of Z-Wave long range in the color of the trace. The main activity at Z-Wave's Unplug Fest is for members to bring their brand new devices, often still under development, to test with each other to verify interoperability, a key feature of Z-Wave. We did also do some range testing within the building, and we would measure exactly how far down the hallway within this large concrete and steel building we could reach. We would walk down the hallway and check to see if the device was blinking, which would let us know that it was making full secure connection back to the controller. After Unplug Fest, we had a live demonstration of many of the features of Z-Wave for installers and other people who haven't been as connected to Z-Wave. The feature list primarily started with the fact that Z-Wave is an open and mature standard through the Z-Wave Alliance and the ITU standard of the hardware level, of the physical layer. Then went over the most important feature, which is the fact that Z-Wave is interoperable and the fact that it's in the sub-GHz band. It's a very secure protocol and it's low power with up to 10 years on a coin cell. Demonstrating the interoperability, I then presented a 20-year-old light switch connected to a brand new 800 series chip, showing that the same controller can control both brand new devices and things that are 20 years old. The next demonstration was showing the sub-GHz advantage of Z-Wave. First, I demonstrated the fact that using a spectrum analyzer, demonstrated the fact that in the 2.4 gigahertz band, we have Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and many other protocols that are all competing for the same spectrum, resulting in somewhat shorter range because there's so much other traffic in that band. Z-Wave, in comparison, is in the 868 megahertz band, which is relatively quiet. And again, I demonstrated on our spectrum analyzer, this narrow little slot right where the finger pointer is shows that there's almost no noise, no other traffic in our important band. The next demonstration was for multicast, which is a feature of Z-Wave that eliminates popcorning, where even though you send commands to a whole series of lights, they all turn on kind of one at a time. Multicast enables all of the lights to come on at exactly the same time. And this was demonstrated here in this section of the demonstration. So now I want to thank everybody for attending the Z-Wave Alliance Unplug Fest, and in particular, I want to thank AOTech for sponsoring Unplug Fest. I'll see you next year.